right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Welcome to my channel, Gavel in Silence.
Court is calling 2022 CR 6940, State of Texas versus Bernardo Huerta. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Kathy Compton for Mr. Huerta.
And are you Mr. Huerta?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with the discovery. Mr. Huerta, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're going with the lesser included offense of robbery, and we're waiving the enhancement paragraph.
Any objection?
No.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent, was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Huerta, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of robbery. Punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $500 fine, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
I did, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours community service restitution, no contact with Abel Ramos or Rowley's at 955 South General McMullen in San Antonio, Texas, 78237. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? I'm sorry, to the offense of robbery, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
State any evidence?
State offer states Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We're asking to do so, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I would just ask that the court follow our plea bargain agreement. My client's been in custody for a very long time. We've negotiated for a very long time, and I believe that this is in his best interest. He's recently a first-time grandfather, and I have seen a huge change in his demeanor and just, I think his outlook has changed very much. So I would ask just that you follow the plea bargain, Judge.
Okay. And what auto parts were you taking from O'Reilly's?
Some headlights.
And how much are headlights?
They were like, I think they were $50 or something like that. I'm not too sure, y'all.
So, and how long have you been at the jail?
15 months, y'all.
So you spent 15 months at the Bear County Jail, over $50.
I'm not proud to say, but yes, y'all.
So why didn't you just pay for the lights? And I'm sure if you would have just returned them, they probably would have said, okay, and moved on to something else. Why didn't you just return it?
They were no longer in my possession, Your Honor, when they found them. So it was really.
But why do people have to chase you down to give back their property? That's the number one thing that people are taught in school. Don't take what doesn't belong to you.
Yes,
And how old are you?
I'm 35 now, Your Honor.
So you should have known that.
Yes, Your Honor.
It shouldn't take a grandchild to make you realize that you shouldn't take what doesn't belong to you. And the tattoos you have, what are they about? And are they related to an organization?
No, Your Honor. No, man. I only got while I was in prison, I got associated because of tattoos I got before I went to prison. Your Honor.
No, I understand. The reason why I ask sometimes about tattoos, I'm just interested in tattoos. I always want to know about people's life because that tells me some things and help me make conditions for you. But the other reason why I'm always interested in tattoos, because some tattoos are related to different organizations.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you have any employment prospects? What are you going to do when you're released?
Yes, ma'am. I have my own lawnmower service. I do lawns, and my sister, since that's not working out right now too well because I'm locked up, my sister has her own construction business, and she's waiting for me to get out to employ me.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
15 and 16, Your Honor.
15 and 16, and you have a grandchild?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is
My daughter, Your Honor.
The 16-year-old?
No, I'm sorry. She's 16 now, and he's 15. He's 17.
So your daughter has a
baby.
child with the 17-year-old.
She's a 17-year-old.
Right out of the gate, the courtroom tone is calm, procedural, almost routine, but don't let that fool you. What starts as a simple probation application is about to reveal a story involving jail time, family struggles, and a judge who isn't afraid to ask the uncomfortable questions. Watch closely because every detail here matters.
All right, so your daughter is now 17 and not 16?
No, my daughter's 16, and she has the baby.
All right, and she has a child with a 17-year-old.
With another child her age, yes.
All right, how many grandchildren do you have?
Just one.
Just one, and that's from the 16-year-old.
From the 16-year-old.
And is the grandchild living with you all? Or going to
Yes,
live?
he's in our house. But they have an adult that lives there with them.
Okay.
At the time, yes.
And who is the adult who lives with them? What
It's
is
my mother.
Okay. So your mother is a great grandmother.
Yes, John.
So she's taking care of her grandchildren and now a great
A
grandchild.
great grandchild. But only because of my absence, John. Yes.
Well, no, because
Well, yes.
Children know.
Yes, you're right. John.
and has she graduated from high school?
She's continuing still. Yeah, yes.
All right. I'm going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Probation will do gang supervision. There's to be no contact with any O'Reillys.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think that leaves AutoZone and other places, but no contact with O'Reillys.
Yes, John.
There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. That can be waived if he completes parenting classes and probation, whichever parenting classes you think would work with him. So where are your children's? Where is their mom?
So another crazy story. She is actually back in the picture now and living there with them as well.
All right, so was Child Protective Services involved?
No, not for my kids.
All right, for her children?
We only have our children.
All
together.
right, okay. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Is there any drug issues with you?
No, yeah.
All right, we'll do regular UAs. Bill visits. One time per month. I'm sorry, one time every 3 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Donna, are you mandating the parents' classes? Or are you saying it's based
Oh, no, I'm mandating them.
on nothing else?
Is there anything else you need from the court, sir?
Yes, John. I just wanted to clear something up for you because I think this is where you were kind of got the misinterpretation. I lost my children to the state and my mom adopted them.
Okay.
So that's
All right, so I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors.
that way you understand that that's why I'm around.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors, and this is what I'm going to tell you about CPS cases, and your attorney can probably tell you this as well. I don't know what the legal paperwork says about her adoption,
Yes, ma'am.
but what I do know, if she adopted your children, which means that your rights were terminated and the mother's rights were terminated, I'm sure CPS is not expecting you all to act as babysitters or anything of that nature. You understand?
It's only well, yes, ma'am. I understand what you mean.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
It sounds like you gave it all to me already, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to the attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, and I think you've been here before, so you know, communication is key. If there is an issue, let probation know. If you feel like probation is not addressing that issue, you can always come back to court and speak with me. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Court is calling 2019 CR 11647, State of Texas versus Jamal Trayvon Coleman. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Thanks to the state of Texas.
Defense.
Monica Corolla for defense.
And are you Jamal Coleman?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jamal Coleman who was placed on deferred education in 2019 CR 11674 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on November 5th, 2020 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 7th day of June 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jamal Trayvon Coleman, did then and there fail to submit to a drug test in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. The state will waive and abandon the other allegations.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is, and should Your Honor choose to follow it, is to deny the motion and to alter and amend his conditions of probation to include the ISF dual track, and for him to complete the dual track and continue on probation.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
All right, Mr. Coleman, raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jamal Trevon Coleman.
All right, Mr. Coleman, do you want to go to prison?
Ma'am, I do not.
Then why do you keep coming before me with violations?
I have an issue with drugs.
I mean, I know that, but I've sent you to different places and you're just not doing well. And so I don't know if I can help you or not. I don't know if you want the help. I can put people in whatever class that's available for you. If you have a drug problem, I can put you in a class for drug issues. But if you go there and you sit there and you internalize, but the first thing some problem comes before you, your answer is, oh, let me use drugs.
May I speak?
Yes.
I didn't get a chance to. I didn't really complete the first program, the safe P that you put me in.
Mhm.
I don't know if you remember, but I had a colostomy bag.
Yes, I do remember you.
So I got my colostomy bag removed,
Mhm.
but I didn't stay at the safe P facility. They took me to an infirmary unit, and so I've kind of missed the whole entire program. I think I was only in the program for about 2 months,
Mhm.
if that. So I didn't really get a chance to be in the program.
So you had a colostomy bag, and again, you're using drugs.
Yes, ma'am.
That doesn't work well for anybody's health.
This moment right here is critical. The judge is laying out the full legal reality. Robbery, a second-degree felony, with a possible sentence of up to 20 years in prison. That's the weight of the decision sitting on the defendant's shoulders. But here's the question for you watching. When someone accepts a plea deal like this, is it truly a second chance or just the last chance before prison?
And I will tell you, I have some friends who previously were addicted to drugs, and now they've been clean and sober for about 30 years. And they will all tell me, Stephanie, I can no longer abuse my body because I abused it so much. So guess what? They don't do ice cream. They don't do any of that. They're always working out, fruits, vegetables, their proteins. That's it, because they put their body through the ringer. And how old are you?
I'm 26.
You're putting your body through the ringer. And I will tell you, meth not only affects the mental health part of it, but it affects your heart, it affects your liver, it affects everything else. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Probation. I'm sorry, do you have any gang affiliation?
I did when I was younger, not currently.
And what was that?
Blood.
Oh. He's saying that he's not a gang member anymore. I don't think felony drug court will accept him, because I had put on here at one time, refer back to felony drug court, and they said no. Am I correct?
That is correct. I believe they will not accept him back.
And will ISF accept him with his gang affiliation?
We'll have to do an evaluation.
All right. I'll deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions to include ISF dual track. If he's not accepted by ISF, then it's going to be safety.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
Am I going to see you back again here for this nonsense?
Doubt it. No, ma'am.
Do you have the tools you need to not use?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have a support system at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your support system?
Grandmother, my mother, my father, my elderly grandparents.
All right. So you need to stop disappointing them, because I'm sure each time you use, your mom's heart breaks, your grandparents' hearts break, your dad's heart probably breaks. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody wants to, because you never know if the last time you use is the last time you use. Nobody wants to be called to have to identify your body, because you're the person on the news who's on the street, and they'll just say drug overdose, and then they'll go on to the next person. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Good job.
Listen carefully to what just happened. The defendant entered a no contest plea, which means he isn't directly admitting guilt, but he's also not fighting the charge. In legal terms, it allows the court to treat the case as if he's guilty. For sentencing purposes, it's a strategic move, but it also signals something important. The focus of this hearing is no longer the crime, it's the consequences, and this is where the courtroom atmosphere shifts. Completely 15 months in jail over something the judge says was worth about $50. That's the kind of moment that forces everyone in the room and everyone watching to stop and think, how does a decision that small spiral into over a year behind bars? Sometimes the real story of a case isn't the crime itself, it's the chain reaction that follows. Here it is the judge's decision: 8 years in prison but suspended and probated. That means the defendant avoids immediate prison time, but only if he follows strict probation rules, community service supervision, restrictions on contact. Every condition is a test. One mistake, and that suspended sentence can instantly become real prison time.